In this video, I will be showing you how to use Perplexity AI to simplify technical jargon. Let's get started. I'll begin by navigating to the Perplexity Pro home screen and clicking directly into the central search bar to enter my first query. I'm typing a request for the AI to explain the high-level concept of quantum entanglement using an analogy a child could understand while making sure to avoid any difficult mathematical terms. After I click the arrow to submit, the engine processes the request and provides a response that compares the concept to a pair of magical gloves. The explanation clarifies that if you put on a left glove, the other one instantly becomes the right glove no matter how far away it is, which perfectly illustrates how linked particles behave. It also uses a simple example of matching marbles in mystery boxes to help the reader visualize how scientists track these connections in a way that feels intuitive. Next, I'll move my mouse down to the follow-up box at the bottom of the screen to try simplifying a more professional, industry-specific sentence. I'm entering a highly technical statement about distributed ledgers and consensus mechanisms to see how well the AI can translate it for a non-technical audience. I'll hit enter, and the AI quickly provides a version that describes a shared digital record where people agree on updates to keep the network stable. By breaking down terms like Byzantine fault tolerance into a simple story about computers acting reliably even when some fail, Perplexity makes it easy to understand even the most complex topics. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.